my name is Casper. I will today give you an explanation about how we make the cheese. We don't make the cheeses right here. We make them 20 kilometers away from here, in Katwoude, it's called. I don't know, have you heard of Katwoude?
No.
Have you heard of Volendam?
No.
No? Ah. This is Harry Wille. And this is Wiebe, he's his son, and he's our boss now. He's just a small kid over here, now he has grey hair, he's old. For making the cheese, we put some milk in the top over there. And we warm it up to 29 degrees Celsius. And that is for this liquid to work. Sorry. And this liquid is called rennet. And this will make the milk thick. And after a while, we will get this. And these are curds. And this is whey. And we only use the curds for the cheese. And we only get 10% curds and 90% whey. So if you want to make 1 kilo of cheese, we need 10 liters of milk. That's a lot. The whey is very healthy for you and keeps you young. I've drank it for 70 years now, but I don't know if you can notice it. Our boss should drink it too, he's all grey and everything, but that's okay. After that, we put this in these small baskets over here. And in these baskets there's a little mesh inside. And this mesh will make sure that the whey gets out of the curds. And we press it for a while. And we will get a white cheese. Like this one. Not really like this one, it's just plastic. I wouldn't eat it. And it's full of water, but that's okay. And this cheese we put in a salt bed over here. And this salt bed is 20% salt, 80% water. And that will make the taste of the cheese stronger.
What salt? What salt?
What salt?
Normal salt?
Yes,
Salt?
I don't know.
Some salt.
Some salt. And then we put the cheese on the shelf. And we let them ripen for about 4 weeks for a young cheese. And this is a young cheese and it's very soft, as you can see. About 6 months for middle-aged cheese, about 10 to 12 months for an old cheese, and about 2 years for an extra old cheese. And I don't know if I have an extra old cheese here. Ah, yes. And this is, for example, an extra old cheese. And this one is very hard, as you can hear. We also have in our shop some smoked cheeses. I don't know if you heard of these? No? Those cheeses were molten and then they were smoked. And that will give it a special type of taste. For eating the cheese, we have a cheese slicer. And this is good for your sandwich, for example. And you can do this. Or we have a cheese grater, which is this one, with which we do this. And this is good for your pizza or pasta, for example. And does everyone like cheese over here?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That's a shame, because we also have some nice syrup waffles over here, but those are not meant for you now because you are already full of cheese. Or for the people who don't like cheese, we have some here.